Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the phone is powered, unlocked, and the SIM for the data plan is inserted. This matters because the phone needs an active SIM to show network options. Now open Settings from the home screen or app drawer and tap Network and Internet. This is where mobile data settings live. Once there, you're ready to select SIM settings or mobile network. Do that now so you can change which SIM uses mobile data and view APN options. You should now choose which SIM will provide mobile data if your C53 has dual SIM. This determines where charges and data allowances apply. Once chosen, tap Mobile Network, then Access Point Names to verify the carrier's APN. These settings tell your phone how to connect. If the APN is missing or wrong, tap Add or the Edit icon and enter the provider's exact values. Make sure to save changes, because incorrect APN entries are the most common cause of mobile data failures. Finally, toggle mobile data on and watch for signal bars and a data indicator. This confirms the phone is using cellular data. If it doesn't connect, restart the phone once. This flushes temporary settings and often resolves conflicts. If problems persist, verify your carrier plan is active, recheck APN entries, or perform a network settings reset. Doing this restores defaults without erasing personal files. If still stuck, contact carrier support and mention APN.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.